Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Huawei MatePad 11.5 2025 and Xiaomi Redmi Pad 2. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. Next, compare display features. Huawei MatePad 11.5 comes with 11.5 inches TFT LCD display, and the Redmi Pad 2 comes with 11 inches IPS LCD display. Hardware features. Redmi Pad 2 is powered by the MediaTek chipset, and the MatePad 11.5 comes with Kirin chipset. Camera features. Next, compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. These devices include studio speakers, Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.